Welcome to the set of the Fantasy Show. I'm Matthew Berry with Daniel Dopp. You know, last week we had our company-wide 2018 Fantasy Football Ranking Summit. You can see the full results on ESPN.com right now. But here are the consensus top 10 fantasy football running backs in 2018. No surprise, Le'Veon Bell and Todd Gurley at the top. We're not worried about David Johnson's injury from last year. He's at number 3. And youth must be served. Kareem Hunt, Alvin Kamara, Leonard Fournette, Dalvin Cook, a lot of second-year backs making the top 10. With our running back ranks revealed, it's a perfect time for another edition of FARC, Frequently Asked Rankings Questions. Daniel Dopp, Secret Squirrel. What's our first question?
First question, actually, is my question on the top 10, Matthew. Saquon Barkley, a.k.a. the greatest running back in the history of football based off of pre-draft type that I saw.
Right.
You guys only have him as RB7, though. I mean, what's up with that?
Yeah, I'm with you, actually, that he's a little low in the initial rankings. I actually have Barkley as my running back 5. It is a bit early to call him the greatest running back ever, but there is consensus that he is the best running back in this rookie running back class. Remember, rookie running backs have led the NFL rushing in each of the last 2 years. Kareem Hunt last year, obviously, Ezekiel Elliott the year before. You think about Barkley's pass-catching ability and combine that with his size, his speed, and the volume of work he's going to get in New York. I'm as a first-round pick in fantasy this year. Secret Squirrel?
All right, next up. Last year, we saw some running backs break out that not everyone predicted. Your ride-or-die Kareem Hunt, for example. Is there anyone in this list of second-tier running backs you think could finish inside the top 10?
Yeah, a lot of big names here that I really like, but how about Christian McCaffrey, who is a perfect fit for a Norv Turner offense? You know, last year, McCaffrey finished as the 10th best running back in fantasy leagues in PPR scoring, and now you take Jonathan Stewart and his 206 touches out of the Carolina backfield. All McCaffrey needs is just some of that work that Stewart got last year, and sky's the limit. I have Christian McCaffrey as my number 9 running back this year, higher than the consensus ranks. What's next, Secret Squirrel?
All right, Matthew, last question, also from me. Neat.
Wow.
All right, from rankings 21 to 30, there are 4 rookie running backs: Darius Geis, Rashad Penny, Sony Michel, and Royce Freeman. And as an analyst, I can say that's a lot. Do you think that this year's rookie running back class will be as good as last year's running back class?
Yeah, I do. Look, last year was one of the greatest rookie running back classes in history. We saw it in that top 10. And yet there's a real chance this year's class can duplicate it. Fantasy success is all about talent and opportunity. And almost every running back taken early has both, right? Obviously, you got Barkley with the Giants. But Rashad Penny looks to get the heaviest workload in Seattle. Darius Geis could get 20 touches behind a now healthy Redskins offensive line. Royce Freeman in Denver, Ronald Jones in Tampa also land in situations where there's no established starter, and Sony Michel may be the guy in New England. Remember, the Patriots had the most goal-to-go snaps last year. And finally, a reminder that our rankings are live right now on ESPN.com. Go check them out. And for an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how we set the rankings, we have 5 Fantasy Football Now specials on ESPN+.